Craving the latest kitchen upgrades? In today's video, we're exploring 40 newest Amazon kitchen gadgets that are designed to make your cooking easier, faster, and more fun. From innovative tools to smart, space-saving gadgets, these picks bring style, efficiency, and convenience to every kitchen. Perfect for home chefs and gadget lovers alike, they're practical, affordable, and downright clever. Stick around until the end. You won't believe some of these futuristic kitchen must-haves. Number 1. Dreamfarm Masher. Mashing vegetables can be a messy, uneven task. The Dreamfarm Masher features a strong stainless steel body with soft touch handle and ergonomic design for comfort. Its unique mashing surface ensures smooth, lump-free results while minimizing effort. Perfect for potatoes, carrots, or squash, makes meal prep faster and easier. Home chefs love the durable, easy-to-clean construction that combines efficiency, comfort, and consistent results in one handy kitchen tool, making everyday cooking a breeze. Number 2. OXO Potato Ricer. Getting fluffy mashed potatoes can be tricky with traditional mashers. The OXO Potato Ricer features stainless steel construction, a wide hopper, and soft, non-slip handles for easy pressing. Perfect for potatoes, squash, and gnocchi, it produces smooth, creamy textures effortlessly. Home chefs enjoy faster prep, consistent results, and a sturdy, dishwasher-safe tool that makes side dishes taste professional every time. Number 3. KAYCROWN Egg Slicer. Slicing boiled eggs can be uneven and frustrating. The KAYCROWN Egg Slicer features stainless steel wires, non-slip base, and compact design for precision cutting. Perfect for salads, sandwiches, or garnishes, it creates perfectly uniform slices every time. Home chefs enjoy consistent presentation, safer handling, and a convenient space-saving tool that speeds up breakfast prep with minimal effort. Number 4. Peleg Soup Ladle. Scooping hot soup can be messy without the right utensil. The Peleg Soup Ladle features durable stainless steel, a deep bowl, and ergonomic handle for comfortable serving. Perfect for soups, stews, or sauces, it ensures easy pouring and precise portioning. Home chefs enjoy a functional, stylish ladle that combines practicality with durability, keeping cooking and serving stress-free. Number 5. OXO Spiralizer. Cutting vegetables into spirals can be tedious by hand. The OXO Spiralizer features sharp stainless steel blades, non-slip base, and easy-to-use turning handle. Perfect for zucchini noodles, carrot ribbons, or creative salads, it delivers uniform results in seconds. Home chefs enjoy healthier meals, faster prep, and a sturdy, safe tool that brings fun and efficiency to everyday cooking. Number 6. Joseph Bowl. Mixing ingredients in awkward bowls slows cooking down. The Joseph Bowl features a non-slip base, durable plastic construction, and convenient spout for pouring. Perfect for batters, dressings, or salads, it ensures easy mixing and cleanup. Home chefs enjoy a lightweight, practical bowl that combines functionality, stability, and style for smooth kitchen prep. Number 7. Dash Egg Cooker. Boiling eggs perfectly can be tricky and time-consuming. The Dash Egg Cooker features adjustable settings, non-stick trays, and automatic shutoff for safety. Perfect for soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, it delivers consistent results every time. Home chefs enjoy stress-free breakfasts, convenient operation, and a compact appliance that simplifies mornings effortlessly. Number 8. Whiskware Pancake Mixer. Mixing batter by hand can create lumps and mess. The Whiskware Pancake Mixer features a mixing bowl with integrated whisk, non-slip base, and easy grip handle. Perfect for pancakes, waffles, or crepes, it ensures smooth, consistent batter quickly. Home chefs enjoy faster prep, less cleanup, and a handy functional tool that makes breakfast more enjoyable. Number 9. Herb Mincer. Chopping herbs finely can be tedious and uneven. The ZYLISS Herb Mincer features sharp stainless steel blades, ergonomic handle, and easy-to-clean design. Perfect for parsley, cilantro, or chives, it produces uniform cuts quickly and safely. Home chefs enjoy precise chopping, reduced prep time, and a durable tool that elevates everyday meals with fresh, perfectly minced herbs. Number 10. Chef'n Lemon Squeezer. Juicing citrus by hand can be messy and inefficient. The Chef'n Lemon Squeezer features durable plastic and stainless steel, ergonomic handles, and a built-in strainer to catch seeds. Perfect for lemons, limes, or small oranges, it delivers maximum juice with minimal effort. Home chefs enjoy easy, mess-free juicing, consistent results, and a compact, practical tool that adds freshness to any recipe. Number 11. Presto Pizzazz. Oven making homemade pizza at home can be slow and uneven. The Presto Pizzazz oven features rotating tray technology, adjustable temperature, and compact design for perfect, evenly cooked pizzas. Ideal for personal pizzas, appetizers, or small baked dishes, it delivers restaurant-style results in minutes. Home chefs love the fast cooking, easy cleanup, and versatile oven that brings fun and efficiency to any kitchen without taking up too much counter space. Number 12. Fantasticlean Microfiber. Cloth cleaning surfaces with traditional rags can be messy and ineffective. The Fantasticlean Microfiber cloth features ultra-soft fibers, streak-free technology, and high absorbency for effortless cleaning. Perfect for counters, glass, or electronics, it removes dirt, dust, and spills efficiently. Home users enjoy faster cleaning, scratch-free results, and a reusable, durable cloth that keeps every surface sparkling with minimal effort. Number 13. Shintenchi Kitchen Cart. Kitchen prep and storage can feel cramped without extra space. The Shintenchi Kitchen Cart features sturdy metal and wood construction, multi-tier shelves, and locking caster wheels for mobility. Perfect for extra counter space, utensil storage, or small appliances, it maximizes kitchen organization. Home chefs enjoy a durable, versatile cart that combines style and function, keeping cooking essentials within easy reach while freeing up counter space. Number 14. Linda Stove Gap Covers. Crumbs and spills falling between stove and counters are frustrating. Linda Stove Gap Covers feature heat-resistant silicone, flexible design, and easy cleaning for a perfect fit. Ideal for preventing food debris from reaching hard-to-clean gaps, they protect your kitchen surfaces. Home cooks enjoy a simple, effective solution that keeps the stove area tidy, hygienic, and easy to maintain, reducing kitchen cleanup stress. Number 15. Glendaveny Wine Opener. Opening wine bottles can be a struggle with traditional corkscrews. The Glendaveny wine opener features durable stainless steel, ergonomic handles, and effortless cork extraction. Perfect for parties, dinners, or personal use, it provides smooth, clean opening every time. Wine lovers enjoy the convenience, stylish design, and reliable performance that makes uncorking bottles quick, easy, and elegant. Number 16. StirMATE Pot Stirrer. Constantly stirring sauces or soups can be tiring and time-consuming. The StirMATE Pot Stirrer features adjustable speed, heat-resistant materials, and hands-free design to keep your pots moving. Perfect for sauces, soups, or custards, it prevents sticking and ensures even cooking. Home chefs enjoy multitasking while cooking, less manual effort, and a practical gadget that makes simmering and stirring effortless. Number 17. BYKITCHEN Pan Protectors. Stacking cookware can damage non-stick surfaces and create scratches. BYKITCHEN Pan Protectors feature soft felt material, heat-resistant design, and easy-to-fit sizes for most pans. Perfect for stacking frying pans, saucepans, or skillets. They prevent scratches and preserve quality. Home chefs enjoy safe storage, organized cabinets, and peace of mind that cookware remains in pristine condition. Number 18. Nostalgia Hot Dog Toaster. Cooking hot dogs evenly without a grill can be messy. The Nostalgia Hot Dog Toaster features non-stick trays, adjustable temperature, and compact countertop design. Perfect for hot dogs, sausages, or buns, it cooks food quickly and consistently. Home users enjoy fast meals, minimal cleanup, and a fun, retro appliance that makes snacking or entertaining simple and convenient. Number 19. SIMPLI-MAGIC Trash Can. Traditional trash cans can be bulky and hard to use. The SIMPLI-MAGIC Trash Can features touchless sensor operation, stainless steel body, and odor control lid. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices, it keeps spaces clean and hands-free. Home users enjoy convenience, hygiene, and a modern, sleek design that blends style and practicality, making garbage disposal effortless. Number 20. Hoqqf Twisted Potato Slicer. Creating curly fries or twisted potatoes can be tricky with regular tools. The Hoqqf Twisted Potato Slicer features sharp stainless steel blades, ergonomic handle, and sturdy base for safe slicing. Perfect for homemade fries, garnishes, or snacks, it delivers consistent, fun shapes with minimal effort. Home cooks enjoy quick prep, uniform results, and a durable slicer that makes potato dishes exciting and professional looking. Number 21. Herb Scissors Set. Chopping fresh herbs with a knife can be slow and messy. The Herb Scissors Set features 5 stainless steel blades, ergonomic handle, and easy clean design for quick, precise cuts. Perfect for parsley, cilantro, chives, and more. It speeds up prep time and keeps herbs fresh. Home cooks enjoy a safe, efficient, and time-saving tool that brings consistency and convenience to every recipe. Number 22. Lemon Squeezer. Squeezing lemons by hand can be sticky and wasteful. The Chef'n Lemon Squeezer features durable, BPA-free construction, ergonomic grip, and easy juice extraction. Perfect for fresh lemon juice in cooking, baking, or drinks, it maximizes yield and minimizes mess. Home chefs enjoy fast, efficient juicing that's comfortable, hygienic, and makes adding citrus flavor effortless. Number 23. Air fryer paper liners. Cleaning air fryers is a hassle and sticky mess is common. Air fryer paper liners feature non-stick, heat-resistant material with perforated design for air circulation. Perfect for fries, wings, and baked items, they reduce cleanup and prevent sticking. Home cooks enjoy convenient, reusable liners that keep their fryer clean and meals crispy without compromising taste. Number 24. Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater. Grating cheese by hand can be messy and slow. The Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater features a stainless steel drum, ergonomic handle, and secure base for effortless grating. Perfect for hard cheeses, chocolate, or nuts, it delivers consistent shreds quickly. Home chefs enjoy safe, fast, and easy grating that saves time and reduces mess in the kitchen. Number 25. Spring Chef Ice Cream Scoop. Scooping ice cream can be tough with standard spoons. The Spring Chef Ice Cream Scoop features sturdy stainless steel, spring-loaded mechanism, and ergonomic handle for effortless scoops. Perfect for ice cream, cookie dough, or melon balls, it ensures uniform servings. Home cooks enjoy fast, mess-free scooping that's comfortable and consistent every time. Number 26. MyLifeUNIT Egg Frying pan. Cooking eggs evenly can be tricky with sticky pans. The MyLifeUNIT Egg Frying Pan features non-stick coating, heat-resistant handle, and even heat distribution. Perfect for frying, scrambling, or omelets, it delivers perfect eggs without sticking. Home cooks enjoy quick, easy, and cleanup-friendly cooking that enhances breakfast prep effortlessly. Number 27. Circle Joy E Salt and Pepper Grinder. Set manually grinding spices can be uneven and tedious. The Circle Joy Salt and Pepper Grinder set features ceramic grinders, adjustable coarseness, and durable glass containers. Perfect for seasoning meats, salads, or veggies. It provides fresh, flavorful spices every time. Home chefs enjoy smooth, consistent grinding, ease of use, and stylish kitchen accessories. Number 28. Philips Viva Collection SoupMaker. Making soup from scratch can take hours. The Philips Viva Collection SoupMaker features high-speed blending, heating function, and preset programs for smooth or chunky soups. Perfect for fresh ingredients, it cooks and blends in one appliance. Home cooks enjoy quick, nutritious, and delicious soups with minimal effort and easy cleanup. Number 29. Lodge Cast Iron Skillet. Cooking with cheap pans can cause uneven heating. The Lodge Cast Iron Skillet features pre-seasoned cast iron, excellent heat retention, and durable construction. Perfect for frying, searing, and baking, it delivers consistent results and develops natural non-stick properties over time. Home chefs enjoy versatile, long-lasting cookware that enhances flavor and performance. Number 30. Electric Stand Mixer. Mixing dough or batter by hand is tiring. The electric stand mixer features multiple speed settings, stainless steel bowl, and powerful motor for effortless mixing. Perfect for bread, cakes, or whipping cream, it saves time and ensures consistent results. Home bakers enjoy hands-free operation, precise mixing, and a durable, multifunctional appliance for every baking task. Number 31. Keystone Smart Toaster. Burnt toast and uneven browning are kitchen annoyances. The Keystone Smart Toaster features adjustable browning settings, wide slots for bagels or thick bread, and a sleek touch interface. Perfect for breakfast or quick snacks, it ensures every slice comes out golden and crispy. Home cooks enjoy precise, consistent results, energy-efficient performance, and a modern appliance that makes mornings easier and tastier. Number 32. ZYLISS Kitchen Spoon Rest. Cooking sauces or stirring soups often creates messy countertops. The ZYLISS Kitchen Spoon Rest features durable ceramic construction, heat-resistant surface, and raised edges to catch drips. Perfect for spoons, spatulas, or ladles. Keeps your stove and counters clean while cooking. Home chefs enjoy convenience, easy cleanup, and a stylish addition to any kitchen setup. Number 33. Upgrade Bread Slicer Kiss Core. Slicing bread evenly can be frustrating and dangerous with knives. The Upgrade Bread Slicer Kiss Core features sturdy frame, adjustable guide slots, and non-slip base for perfect uniform slices every time. Perfect for loaves, sandwich bread, or artisan styles, it ensures consistent thickness and safety. Home bakers enjoy precise results, reduced mess, and effortless slicing for homemade or store-bought bread. Number 34. Tyfer Sync Wi-Fi Meat Thermometer. Overcooked meat ruins meals and wastes ingredients. The Tyfer Sync Wi-Fi Meat Thermometer features dual probes, app connectivity, eyes, and preset temperature alerts for precise cooking. Perfect for roasts, steaks, or poultry, it guarantees accurate doneness every time. Home cooks enjoy hands-free monitoring, consistent results, and the confidence to serve perfectly cooked meals to family and friends. Number 35. Hoshanho Steak Knives. Set cutting meat with dull knives can be frustrating and unsafe. The Hoshanho Steak Knives set features high-carbon stainless steel blades, ergonomic handles, and full-tang construction for durability. Perfect for steak, chops, or roasted meats, they deliver clean, effortless cuts. Home chefs enjoy sharp, long-lasting knives that combine style, comfort, and precise performance for everyday dining. Number 36. Starfrit the Rock Electric Skillet. Frying, searing, or simmering on a small stovetop can be limiting. The Starfrit the Rock Electric Skillet features non-stick stone coating, adjustable temperature control, and spacious cooking surface. Perfect for meats, vegetables, or stir-fries, it ensures even heat distribution and easy cleanup. Home cooks enjoy versatile, reliable, and high-performance cooking that saves time and enhances flavor. Number 37. Salad Dressing Container. Shaking and mixing dressings by hand can be messy and uneven. The salad dressing container features BPA-free material, tight seal lid, and easy pour spout for smooth, consistent dressings. Perfect for vinaigrettes, creamy sauces, or marinades, it makes prep and storage easy. Home chefs enjoy convenience, precise mixing, and a spill-free, reusable container for healthy, flavorful salads. Number 38. Grillaholic Stuffed Burger Press. Making stuffed burgers evenly can be tricky and messy. The Grillaholic Stuffed Burger Press features durable ABS construction, adjustable thickness, and easy-release design. Perfect for creating juicy, consistent stuffed burgers or sliders, it saves prep time. Home cooks enjoy professional-looking results, simplified assembly, and a fun way to elevate backyard cookouts. Number 39. Plastic cutting boards with holder counter space is tight and boards slip during prep. Plastic cutting boards with holder feature durable, BPA-free material, color-coded design for different foods, and compact storage rack. Perfect for chopping meats, vegetables, or fruits, they prevent cross-contamination. Home chefs enjoy organized, safe, and hygienic food prep with easy cleanup and space-saving convenience. Number 40. Hammerware Channel Knife. Zesting citrus or creating garnishes with dull tools is frustrating. The Hammerware Channel Knife Zester features stainless steel blade, ergonomic handle, and sharp channels for perfect zest. Perfect for lemons, limes, or chocolate garnishes, it adds flavor and flair to dishes. Home cooks enjoy precision, comfort, and a simple way to enhance recipes with fresh, vibrant zest. Thanks for watching our 40 newest Amazon kitchen gadgets. If you enjoyed these fresh kitchen finds, hit like and subscribe for more gadget guides. Comment your favorite pick below and check the description for links to all the products featured. See you in the next video.